right, you ready for a challenge? Okay, we're going to practice adding decade numbers. Okay, so we know that we have our tens place and our ones place, right? If there are two digits in a number, like the number 10, we know that we have our tens place, which comes first, and our ones place, which comes last, right? Okay, if you are adding decade numbers, all you have to do is add the numbers in the ones place, 0 and 0, and then the numbers in the tens place, 1 and 1. Okay, so let's do it. So if I cover up the tens place and I'm just looking at the ones place, what is 0 plus 0? Well, that's a silly question, isn't it? 0 plus 0 is 0. If I have nothing in my hand and I add a whole lot of nothing to it, then I have nothing. So then I put a 0 at the bottom. Easy as that. Now, then I just go over to my tens place. What is 1 plus 1? We all know that. It's 2. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. Do you see how we split up the ones place and the tens place? And in the end, we got the whole number 20. Okay, now let's make it a little bit more difficult. Let's change this number to 20. So now we have 20 plus 10. Okay? Now, we're just going to do the same thing that we did last time. We're going to split our number up. Remember, the tens place, when there are two digits in a number, the tens place comes first, the ones place comes last, right? So, we're going to add the numbers in the ones place first. What is 0 plus 0? It's 0. What is 2 plus 1? Remember, these are the numbers in the tens place, so we're adding them together. 2 plus 1 is 3. So what is 20 plus 10? 30. It's easy as that. All right, we're going to try one more with the decade numbers, and we'll make it a little trickier. All right, we're going to work on our ones place first. What is 0 plus 0? It is 0. Now our tens place. What is 4 plus 2? If I have 4 fingers and I add 2 fingers, what am I going to get? 4, 5, 6. All right. So our tens place, we know we have 6 groups of 10. So what is 40 plus 20? 60. You are adding huge numbers. All right, now let's make it a wee bit trickier. All right. Let's make the number 36. And we're going to add a decade number. Holy moly, what do I do here? Well, you do the same thing. you start with the ones place, right? The ones place is the digit that comes last. See? Okay. This time, there are not two zeros, right? You're not adding nothing to nothing and getting nothing. You're adding 6 and 0. Okay, well, that's easy, right? If you have 6 and you don't add anything, then you get 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. So we know that we have 6 groups of 1, 6 ones. All right, now we add the numbers, the digits, in the tens place. Kind of hard to see there. What digits are in the tens place in these two numbers? 3 and 2. What is 3 plus 2? If I have 3 fingers and I add 2, 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 36 plus 20 is what? What is this number? Do you know? 56. Wow, you're getting into some tricky big numbers. All right, we're going to do one more, and then I'll give you some practice ones if you want to practice. Ready for this one? Okay. Oh, where do we begin? Well, we have our tens place, right? There are 2 digits in these numbers, so the tens place comes first, right? And we have our ones place. The ones place in any number always comes last, okay? Let's cover up our tens place. Let's add the numbers in the ones place. What is 7 plus 0? Well, if you have 7 and you add nothing to it, you get 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. Now we're going to add the numbers in the tens place. In the tens place, it's 5 and 3. So we have 5 fingers up, and we're going to add 3 to them. Ready? Let's start at 5 and count up 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 5 plus 3 is 8. Now, what is this big number that we just got? 87. Wow, you are adding some huge numbers, my friends. Okay, good job. I'm so glad you liked the challenge. Now I'm going to, in the instructions for this assignment, I'm going to list some practice problems for you to try. If you feel up for it, then go ahead and give them a shot. If you're feeling a little confused, that's okay. That's okay. Remember, this was a challenge. You don't have to do the problems if you think it's a little too challenging, okay? All right. See everybody next time.